Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG, and today I'm doing a quick look at the 704 Urban Ranger. So let's get this flipper pocket knife open and see what we get. So besides the box here, we get a fancy carrying case. It's got the 704 on the front. Opening it up, we get the knife itself. We'll take a look at that in a second. Some stickers. You can put those around laptop water bottles, as we do with those things. Lifetime warranty card, and a little cleaning rag. So let's get this stuff out of the way. Let's talk about the knife itself. So it's made from D2 steel. This is G10 scaled olive drab. It does have a little clip here, as you can see, so you can clip it in your pocket. And it is a flipper, so it's pretty smooth right out of the box, so that's real nice. It does have your standard safety lock in there when closing it. Overall, the blade itself is 3.74 inches, total length 8.46 inches, and it's 4.9 ounces. So relatively light, pretty long overall, very durable. Comes out of the box pretty sharp. You may need to do a little touch-up work to your liking. This with the scales, D10 scales, with the G10 scales, very easy to grip and hold, so that's nice. And it does have that thumb feature. So this is just going to be packed up into one of my hiking and camping bags. That way it's always ready to use. It's a nice little carrier with this little clip and this size. It feels good in the pocket. So it's either going to be, EDC or just packed up, ready for me to put in my pocket when I go camping or hiking. And I'm looking forward to try it out on my adventures, whether that be opening a bag, cutting a little piece of wood for a fire, or cutting some of my food up, if I take cheese or, some salami. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.